Thank you, Under-Secretary Zaya, and thank you, colleagues. Australia is pleased to be part of this global coalition. We thank President Biden, Secretary Blinken, and the United States for their leadership on this important initiative. The rapid increase in the production and trafficking of illicit synthetic drugs is a significant threat to the health and security of our countries. This global challenge requires a collective and coordinated response. This challenge is not one that can be solved individually. Serious and organised crime groups are transnational, as are the supply chains for synthetic drugs and precursor chemicals. Therefore, our response needs to be transnational. Our approach also needs to be comprehensive. It requires political will, resourcing, law enforcement cooperation, health strategies, as well as appropriate regulations and management of precursor chemicals. A particular concern for Australia is methamphetamine. It is the leading cause of reported drug use disorders in Australia. This problem is shared throughout our region. We also acknowledge the devastation that the opioid crisis is causing worldwide, particularly in North America. We continue to work collaboratively with our partners in Southeast Asia and the Pacific to address this threat, and believe it is important that this global coalition supports all member states in addressing this complex challenge. We welcome the global coalition's emphasis on demand and harm reduction. In Australia, our national drug strategy focuses on reducing and preventing harms to people through effective demand, supply, and harm reduction strategies, which balances health and law enforcement approaches. Australia will continue to implement evidence-based initiatives that prevent and minimise drug-related harms, including overdose, and reduce the stigma and discrimination associated with drug use. It is also important to ensure that initiatives account for differing needs and align with human rights principles. We would welcome the opportunity to share our experiences with the global coalition and learn from others. Australia thanks the United States and Secretary Blinken for bringing together this coalition and convening this meeting here today. Thank you.